hope you can come and join me in these beautiful rice fields in Ubud in Bali. We'll be doing a Qigong training very soon, learning about traditional Chinese medicine, the wisdom of Taoism, a little bit of shiatsu massage, meditation, and more. Details on my website, notdoingpractice.com.au.